Incense and peppermint, the color of time. Now, incense never really hurt anybody. Probably not good to breathe a lot of it. And peppermint is good stuff. I took it at the time that it was totally meant to be a drug song. And, you know, use as many drugs as you can. It'll change your mind. You'll see things. I did acid, psilocybin, mescaline, peyote. And truthfully, I didn't learn a damn thing. What I did learn from being clean and sober is that there's amazing things in this world. No, my hand's not shaking. That's the wind. Peace and joy.